is our Rock Hill Mill dirt scoot. It hasn't been started for about a year. More like 5 months or something. It takes a long time to start.
Struggle a bit.
Yep, that's that. That's how you do cold start.
Perfect. Good hand, Mike.
Nice, alright.
I bet you the goose would start that.
Yeah, because the bike can get too scared and just start and drive away.
At the back.
Have you started the how-to video yet, Mike? Oh no.
He's drinking from it.
And he's having a bit of a gulp.
He's having a drink, he's out of breath, he's having a drink from it. How's it taste, Mike? Rock Hill Mill's homemade apple juice.
Like that did used to make cider actually.
Average day at Rock Hill Mill races.
It's yesterday, isn't it?
I've no idea.
No, you should have a special thing in there later today.
Oh! Whoa! 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 When you hear it, that's a good sight, that is. Even I can tell you that.
Right, get back. It's good as fire.
Whoa! Not quite the fire he would have in mind. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Yay! Oi! Whoa! 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 Ah!
Oh, keep recording.
I am.
Oh, safety first.
Rock Hill Mill races, safety first, Mike. We can't let this happen.
We're not insured.
You gotta wear the helmet.
Why,
You
we're
can
not
wear- We are insured.
Yeah, they are.
Just feed them any old crap, they'll believe it. Anyway, so, here we go. Oh. Would you Adam leave it?
So far, I'm not starting to combine harvester up. Oh.
Mike, my dad's in the combine in. Mike, my dad's in the combine in. I think he's in it soon. Anyway, wait, yeah. Go, 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 go. It's just letting it to warm up now. Gone up a bit now.
Yeah, you just don't hear the engine when you shake your shoes.
This is when we start getting naked, lads, okay? We can hear him.
Oh!
But can we see him? Yes, we can.
Oh dear.
Let's stand back if you lads. Fastest finish line. High five, Mike, good work. I say